Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I just thought I'd do a quick video because I've just got some happy mail and I've seen loads of people on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube with these Filofax files, and I just thought I'd unbox it for you and give you my opinion. So if it's something that you're interested in, please stay with us. Yeah, sorry about that. I've just been working this morning and I've just got back home and yay, I've got my Saffiano, is it? How's that how they pronounce it? Saffiano Filofax. Just check that you can see it in the video. And I just thought I'd share. Wow, gosh, that's really pink. Really, really pink. And it's massive. It's humongous. Wow, you're not going to lose that in a hurry, are you? That's like the size of both my hands. That's huge. It's just, wow, I didn't think they were so big. Just a little bit smaller than 8.5 inches long and 5 inches wide. Wow. Woohoo! Exciting. Gosh. Very big. So, yeah, the reason why I wanted to do an unboxing of this is because I believe that the prices vary everywhere. And I've seen them before, but there was like £40–50. But for some reason, I just, like you do, went on eBay and I looked, and WH Smith on eBay are selling them for £25 delivered. So, me being me, I had to get it. Gosh, I'm not sure if I'm liking the colour, to be fair. It is really pink. And Filofax. What year have they sent me? Please be 2023. Really? 2021? Right, so yeah, what am I going to do with 2021? So that's probably why it's cheap. But I've not bought it for that. I've bought it, you've got sections 1 to 6 to do. Some blank paper, some lined paper, different colours. Pretty. Calendar for 2021. I mean, come on, what's that all about? Personal information, addresses, etc. I don't know anybody that does that anymore. Holidays. And some space for notes at the back. But, like I said, that isn't what I bought it for. Oh, and I've just noticed it's got a ruler as well. That's not good, it's not coming out. Yeah, so obviously that's why it's cheaper, because it's an old diary. Gosh, that's really, really pink. Really, really pink. So what do we have? We have card space, purse compartment, which is quite big, another section there to put something in, receipts maybe, and elasticate a bit. Some more space for cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16 cards. Yeah, quite like the colour, but I wasn't expecting it to be so big. I knew they were big, but anyway, I've got this. So later on, I'm going to make another video, and I think that's the wrong one. No, it's the right one. And I'm going to make some cash wallets. I'm going to laminate some cash wallets, and I'm going to put them in there so then I can carry it around with me, and not my credit card or my debit card, because that's why I'm spending all my money, and that's why I need to budget. So this is the reason why I bought this, so I can make some pouches for in here, and a pen holder as well, and hopefully spend my money properly and put it into the bank once I've saved it and done some of my challenges. But yeah, it's nice. It's like a bag on itself, isn't it? I suppose you could use it as a clutch bag. Really? Pink. I don't know if you can see the lighting properly because it's an awful day today, but it's really dark. It's nicely stitched. It's got a Filofax sign there as well. You have to excuse my nails. I've just come back from work and I saw the post and I thought, oh, I need to do a video. I'm so excited. But yeah, I am excited, but I think I wish I'd got a different colour. I thought it'd be more orangey pink. I don't know if you can really see the colour, but that's like cerise. But it's pink. It's like hot pink, Barbie pink. But yeah, it's nice. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a quick one. I also got this as well, which is a corner punch, and they had that on Amazon, and there was $3.99, and I've just tried it and it works. Let's see if it does it on this kind of paper. I don't think it will, but we can try. No, it's a bit thick, but it cuts the corners, and that's exactly what I wanted for my envelopes. So yeah, if you want to watch the video of me making some cash envelopes for this and how I'm going to set it up, I'll do another video. But I just wanted to basically let you all know that on eBay, WH Smiths have got them for £25. I will put the link below. Any questions, more measurements or anything that you want me to let you know about, I can do. But I think it was just short of an 8.5 inch and 5 inch across, which is quite big. I don't know if I'll have a handbag big enough, so I suppose I could just go to the bank like that. Yeah, but yeah, I'm happy. I am happy I've got one. Everybody else on YouTube's got one, so I've got one now, so I'm happy. Oh, the small things. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to do another video, like I said, about making some cash envelopes for these, if you want to see that. Hopefully I get that up in the next day or two. I'm going to do it now, so hopefully once I've edited it and stuff, it should either be up today or tomorrow. But if I'm not back before Christmas, I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and hopefully we can all get to see as family and have some family fun. Unfortunately, I've just lost my mum, so Christmas is going to be a little bit hard for me this year. So it's just going to be a quiet one at home. But I do hope you all have fun and all the best wishes, and stay sober. See you on the next video. Bye.